Here we have an infrared photodiode in series with an LED and a drop-in resistor to suit the LED. This is all powered by a 9V PP3 battery, and as you can see, the LED is lit at the moment, and that's because the infrared photodiode is in the beam from an infrared source. Therefore the photodiode conducts, and the electricity flow through the diode enables the LED to be powered and bright up and light up. If an object breaks the beam, such as a slot racing car, simulated here by this device, break the beam and the LED goes off. That's because without the infrared beam onto the diode, the electricity flow is cut and therefore the LED goes off. When the slot car passes by and the beam is active again, or the beam is seen by the diode, then the electricity flow is reinstated and the LED comes on again. So we'll just do that a few times. Car comes along, zonk, car goes away, car comes along, goes away, car comes along, car goes away. This is a 1 centimetre grid we're working on here, and the sensor is at about 2.5 centimetres up. And the source, which is this infrared LED, is at about 17.5 centimetres, so we've got a gap of 15 centimetres there between the source and the sensor. The sourse is simply an infrared LED with a suitable drop-in resistor. The drop-in resistor is actually 510 ohms because I usually work at 12 volts, but in this case I'm demonstrating that using a 5V source, which would be like the USB port on a computer. So you can see we're using 4.71 voltage in actual fact, approximately 5 volts. That's enough to cause the LED to send out the infrared light. You can see the sort of faint glow is normal when you use a digital camera on an infrared LED. You can generally see a glow through the camera. It's not visible to the naked eye, but through the camera it is. So simple as that. If we break the beam up here, same thing happens, the LED goes off. So you can see that the beam does cover quite a distance. If we shift the angle of the source, the LED fades out and comes back in again when the beam is roughly pointing at the sensor. So fairly straightforward arrangement.